Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a last minute clown makeup look. Okay, so you have like, what, 10, 20, 30 minutes at most. You have to do some kind of makeup look. You have somewhere to be. You either have like a school function, you have a party with friends, you just got off work and you have to get ready, right? So we're going to do a really easy clown makeup look. I'm going to be using Wet n Wild's Fantasy Makers palettes. These were both available at my local Walmart. It should be, they're like 5 or 10 each. I think they're 5 each. I cannot remember though, so do not quote me. But we're going to do a look with these. I'm not even going to put foundation on. We're just going to keep going like this. I got a toothpick. So to be completely honest with you, I think I accidentally hit record when I wasn't supposed to. Like, it was like I meant to pause it, but hit record, and then when I meant to hit record, I guess I paused it. So I just took the Fantasy Maker palette and I used my fingers and I literally just started dab the eye makeup on. Nothing crazy. It must have got cut out somehow. The toothpick on the black. We are just going to make this a little bit easier to draw these straight lines. Figured that would be easier than the brush. Next, we're going to take that brush and we're just going to fill this in. I'm going to take the back of the brush and I'm going to put purple on the one side. I don't want them to be perfect, so I kind of like smushed it a little. So for this one, I think I want to drag the triangle through. And you can use the toothpick for this part too, I'm just not going to. This honestly isn't going to look perfect, I kind of botched it. I'm going to take the toothpick and fix like the line at the bottom here. Maybe not, we're just going to draw this part. And then I'm going to do purple as the opposite color for underneath. Next I want to add some weird lines on this one, so I was thinking we'll do like a wing. But not perfect. Hold on. Like that. We'll do like a triple wing if that makes sense. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't do it like that. I was thinking like that. We'll fill this all in. I'm like having trouble seeing this side. Now before getting any further, I am going to pause because I want to add my colored contacts in really quick, and if I don't, I'll mess it up. Okay, I did a purple and I did a white contact. Now we're going to move on. I want to do something underneath my eye here. I'm thinking we do... This one's like bothering me because it's not pointed. Maybe we should just keep doing it all the way around. Or at least to there, and then I can do it this way. Maybe we won't keep it as liner. I mean, you have other options though. You could also do like an X. You could do, people do like a triangle, I think. It's more of like the X ones and like these triangle. You could just do the triangles at the top and the bottom and skip this one that I smeared off. That is like the black line in the middle. I think that looks kind of bad maybe. But I just want to try something a little different with the shape for mine. Okay. I don't want to do the whole thing. I want it to just be on the sides. And then we're going to do a... I don't know, I want to do a nose, but I don't know what kind we should do. I'm thinking green. I'm just going to take my pinky and do that. Maybe I should take the end of the brush and try to dab purple around it or something. And then next we're going to do lips. I'm going to do purple on the bottom, green on the top. which actually might be annoying because they're gonna touch. But I don't really want to put any black on here. I'm trying to think what else we could do. We could do like black lashes, I guess. Or lashes, brows. You can always ruffle them up too. And the best part of no foundation is you could just like wipe everything off if you mess up. I feel like we need some kind of like swoop here. I'm just gonna take black. I don't know if that's a bad idea. It might be a bad idea. Do like the outline like this, and then I'll go back in and add the green on top because I just kind of messed that up. I think we're gonna do green. At least, yeah, I'll do green for both of these. I think that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna grab some black eyeshadow and go over the black parts really quick. I'm gonna take Elf's Cookies and Cream palette, and I'm just gonna use the black from that. Just kind of fix this up a little bit. Maybe I'll just add a little bit here. But that is pretty much it. Let me just get, I'm gonna add fake lashes. You don't have to, but I want to. Wispy Medium Spiky Cluster Curl from Ioni. I don't know how to say it. I'm going to add them. I'm using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive for the glue, by the way. Okay. I think that's the final look. I'm not sure if the eyes were a good decision. I keep thinking I have a black eye in, but I don't. It took me about 20 minutes, give or take, because I think I recorded myself walking downstairs before. So yeah, here is the final look. Let me know what you think. I just feel like clown looks are so easy to do last minute. I did one for work the one year in the car with just eyeshadow. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you're going for as Halloween this year. I don't know what I'm going to do for my costume. I don't think it was last year. Maybe it was last year. I don't know. I think 2 years ago I went as Chucky. I don't know if that was last year or the year before. I just can't remember. Usually I do a clown for work, but Fridays at work, I'll do like the weekend of trick or treat in town. I'll do Friday. I will do like a glam Halloween look, and then Saturday I will dress up and I'll do my makeup and my mom's. I really want to do a skeleton look. It's like 2 looks ago, I think, from this video. I really like that one, but I just don't know if I want to have stuff all over my mouth, you know? We'll see. Oh, and also to finish this off, I have this. I think the sour shirt I don't really wear the sour shirt. I don't really listen to Olivia Rodrigo anymore, sorry. But I have this, and I think it goes really well with it. This is like the whole thing how it looks. I don't know, I don't really wear stuff like this, but I like it. Mainly for filming, I think it looks really cute. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm not really big into fashion, but I just lightly went in with like my setting powder and just like did the shiny spots on my face because I didn't realize they were really bad before. That's pretty much it then. I just went in and set my face with like setting powder because it was kind of shiny. But other than that, that's the final look. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.